Hey everybody, how's it going? I want to talk about money. Everybody's favorite subject. Anyway, I want to discuss my YouTube revenue and also Patreon. And my YouTube channel I've had quite a while. I started making videos seriously about, maybe 10 years ago. And I started teaching window painting. And on my channel, I have over 1,000 videos related to the subject of window painting. And I got, to date, 1.7 million views, and watch time is about 113,000 hours. And I have 14 subscribers. And I make presently, on average, monthly average of 2023, I made I think $76 a month. So my channel is not booming. I do appreciate the money, and I mostly get that from people clicking on ads and stuff. It's for advertising. But it's not the greatest amount, but I do appreciate it. But after all this and all the views and all the subscribers, because I know a lot of you have received benefit from my channel. I mean, I get comments and people tell me, oh, you changed my life. I'm now painting windows and I'm making money and all this. And I answer every single comment I've gotten in the last 10 years and additional comments too. And people send me images to my email, and I respond there to people, and I try to be helpful, and I try to give tips and this and that. And I know people are benefiting from that. So I'm begging for money. But actually, 6 years ago, I did start a Patreon channel, and that's been pretty good. And that's really helped offset a lot of my costs and things. And I am retired. I retired 4 years ago, but I still paint a few windows, and I'm still making videos, and I'm still teaching, and I'm still here for you guys a lot. So anyway, my Patreon channel is what I'm asking you to check it out, because I have 3 tiers. I have a $2 a month. That's 25 cents a week. It's pretty affordable. And that's just basic support. And what you get out of that is just the opportunity to support me and help me in general, and to continue making videos. And plus you'll have access to a few videos that are public videos, or ones that aren't exclusive. So there's $2 a month. So if you could spare $2 a month, if you're getting something out of my YouTube channel, $2 a month would be really helpful. For $5 a month, you have access to all my videos. I have over 400 videos on Patreon that you can't see anywhere else. And so for the $5 a month, you have access to that. And also some other perks too. And you have more access to me and more communication, and I can help you on a more personal level. Now my top tier is $10 a month, and that's the most popular. And for that, you, in addition to getting all the videos, you get all the videos, access to all of them. You also get all my ebooks, all 7 of them. I have two instructional ebooks, my intro ebook, and then also my how to add verve to your splashes ebook. And you get those 2 books. And then I have 5 sketchbooks. I have the Halloween sketchbook, the Christmas sketchbook, the spring summer sketchbook, the back to school fall sketchbook, and also the dragons sketchbook. And I'm going to do more sketchbooks too. So at the $10 tier, you get the first 2 sketchbooks, and then you get a sketchbook each month after that. And they run $15 a piece. Of course, if you buy them all, you get them for, I think, $10 a piece. But so you get those all free if you're a $10 patron. Also, as a $10 patron, you get sketch every quarter. Every 3 months, I'll send you an original sketch in the mail. And they're not just little scribbles either. Some are pretty elaborate. Some I've spent even hours on. So that's the deal. So I want you guys to, and if you haven't subscribed already to my YouTube channel, subscribe and like and share the videos too. That helps greatly. But now I'm asking you maybe pitch in $2, $5, or $10 a month to my Patreon. So there'll be a link in the description. You can check it out and get more details on it and stuff. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later, and happy window painting. We'll see ya.